So this is story time, and this story is about being grateful for what you have and not complaining because it can always be worse than what it really is. So I was talking to someone the other day, and they were constantly complaining about what they have. And this prayer, this conversation that came to me, I wrote it down and I want to read it to you, and I will give you the moral of the story after I read it. Just guess what you think the story is about in the comments. You asked God for sun because I am cold. God answered your prayer and warmed up your life with a bright sunny day. You told God, the sun is too bright and now I am hot. You prayed and asked God for more money because I cannot pay my bills. God answered your prayer and gave you a full day's work. You said to God, these people that I am working for are a piece of work. They are something else. You were stranded at sea on a raft, and God sent you a tugboat to save your life. You ignored the tugboat He sent to save you because you were looking for a ship. After the tugboat disappeared, a team of sharks came circling around your raft. They tortured you and taunted you until you cried out to the Lord, asking, Lord, please save me. God answered and said, I answered your prayers many times. I gave you a bright sunshine, sunny day because you were cold, but you told me the sun was too bright and now you're too hot. You asked for a job to pay your bills. I gave you a job to serve my people, but you complained about them being too much. You were stranded at sea, and I sent you a tugboat to save your life, but you ignored it. You thought you should be saved by a ship. God said, do you even know what you want? I am afraid that you are confused about who I am. I am the God of provision. I am the source. I am the creator. I hear your prayers and I answer them according to my plans, my wisdom, my power, and my will. God said, your answers may not come the way you think they should come or should look, but the blessings are the same. He said, stop telling me how to bless you and just receive the blessing. I am the great I am. I am the first and the last, the beginning and the ending. I am and will always be God Almighty. God said, by the way, I still love you and have given you my grace. Stop complaining, stop doubting, and simply trust me. You can pray for anything, and if you have faith, you will receive it. And that's found in Matthew 21:22. And so the moral of this story is that God has blessed you to be who you are. He blessed you with hair, that's your own hair. He blessed you with nose and a mouth, and He blessed you with how you are today. So, the moral of this story is stop complaining, stop comparing, and receive the blessing that God has given you. And because you know I'm all about hair, That means your hair as well.